Welcome back to my channel. Ever seen a bird so stunning it looks like it walked out of a dream? Meet the peacock, nature's walking artwork. But here's something you might not know. Behind all that beauty lies a booming business. From backyard farms to luxury exports, peafowl farming is turning feathers into fortunes. This isn't just about fancy birds strutting their stuff. It's about real money, real demand, and real opportunities. In this video, we'll uncover how farmers raise these colorful creatures, what makes them so valuable, and how some are earning thousands per bird. Stick around, because by the end, you might just want to start your own peacock farm. Peafowl, with their shimmering feathers and royal look, have become more than just beautiful creatures in parks or temples. These birds are now part of a fast-growing farming business. Across countries like the US, China, India, and Thailand, more and more farms are raising peacocks for profit. India, though rich in native blue peafowl, protects them under wildlife laws. But in places like the US and China, peafowl farming has turned into a booming trade. In China, massive farms raise thousands of birds, exporting them to places like Southeast Asia and the Middle East. This isn't just about owning a pretty bird. It's about meeting a rising global demand. People want them for breeding, for decoration, and even for events. That demand makes peafowl not just stunning, but extremely valuable. Peafowl may be beautiful, but they're also incredibly valuable. In the US, a young peacock, just a few months old, usually sells for $200 to $500, depending on the breed and health. Once mature, that same bird can bring in up to $2,000. But it gets even more impressive with rare breeds. White peafowl, or those with multicolored feathers, can easily sell for $8,000 to $10,000 per pair, and sometimes even more if they have rare features. China's peafowl industry alone makes hundreds of millions each year. Large-scale farms in provinces like Yunnan and Guangxi export thousands of birds every year to countries like Thailand, Vietnam, and across the Middle East. With this kind of market demand and high price tags, it's clear that raising peacocks isn't just about beauty. It's a real money-making opportunity. Peafowl come in a few standout varieties, and each has its own charm. The most common is the Indian peafowl, famous for its deep blue neck and bright green tail feathers. This is the one you usually see in photos and gardens. Next is the Spalding peafowl, a crossbreed between Indian and Javanese peafowl. It has a bigger body, stronger legs, and a wilder, more dramatic look. Then there's the white and multicolored peafowl. These aren't separate breeds, but rare genetic variations. The white ones look like snowbirds with glowing white feathers, while the multicolored ones have eye-catching blends of blue, green, purple, and gold. These rare types are harder to find and sell for much higher prices, especially among collectors who want something truly unique on their farms. Peafowl have a mixed diet. They eat both plants and small animals. Their daily meals include grains like rice, corn, beans, and millet, which give them energy. They also enjoy leafy vegetables like spinach, cabbage, and carrots that help keep their feathers healthy and shiny. Insects are another important part of their diet. Crickets, worms, and grasshoppers provide extra nutrients they need to grow strong. On average, one adult peafowl eats about 200 to 300 grams of food every day. But during breeding season, which usually runs from March to August, their diet must be boosted. Farmers increase protein levels by adding fish meal and special pellet feed. This extra nutrition helps improve egg production and increases the chances of healthy chicks. A balanced diet during this period is key to successful breeding. During mating season, male peafowl turn into performers. They lift their massive tail feathers into a giant fan, shimmering in the sunlight. Then they shake them side to side while making loud, high-pitched calls, all to catch a female's attention. It's a beauty contest in nature, and the more eye spots, the brighter the colors, and the bolder the display, the higher the chances of winning a mate. Females don't rush. They observe carefully before choosing a partner. Interestingly, one male can mate with several females in a single season. Once mating is done, the female looks for a quiet, hidden spot to build her nest, usually in soft grass or leaves that help keep the eggs warm and protected. A healthy, well-fed female can lay 20 to 30 eggs per season, and in perfect farm conditions, even up to 40. Peafowl eggs are significantly larger than typical chicken eggs, not just in size, but also in their creamy white to off-white appearance. These eggs have a thicker shell, which helps protect the developing chick inside. When a peahen is allowed to incubate the eggs naturally, the success rate of hatching is around 60 to 70%. That's pretty good, but modern farming practices have taken it a step further. By using incubators, farmers can control the temperature and humidity to create ideal conditions. The temperature is kept steady at 37.5 degrees Celsius, with humidity levels maintained between 55 and 60%. Under these controlled settings, hatch rates jump to an impressive 80 to 85%. That means more pea chicks and more profit for breeders. The newborn chicks, called pea chicks, are covered in a soft blend of yellow and brown fuzz. At first glance, they resemble baby chickens, but look closely and you'll notice their longer legs and slightly different body shape. These chicks grow surprisingly fast. In just 3 to 4 months, they begin showing hints of the dazzling blue feathers they're famous for. Over the next 2 years, the males will grow their long, vibrant tail feathers, a stunning display used to attract mates. Meanwhile, the females develop more muted brown plumage, which helps them stay camouflaged and safe from predators in the wild. From vibrant feathers to serious profits, the world of peafowl farming blends beauty with business. Whether it's selling rare birds, feathers, or renting them for events, this industry is booming. With the right setup, knowledge, and care, raising peacocks can become a profitable venture. So what's your take? Would you step into the colorful world of peafowl farming? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing stories from the world of farming.